Soccer Mom Madam case. It is actually going to go to trial. Her co-defendant has pled guilty. It is expected that she will testify against the Soccer Mom Madam. Will she get real time? That's the question we're asking today. Kelly Gearner, our legal writer, would you kindly walk the viewers through what she's charged with, what the investigation entailed, and is she going to get time if she's convicted?
This case began a few years back. Federal investigators got a tip that Gristina was running what essentially amounts to a high-class bordello on New York's Upper East Side. You know, the very, very fancy neighborhood, Central Park adjacent, all of this, and that this bordello was catering to New York City's high rollers, basically. Gristina said she has always maintained that she was simply running a matchmaking service. She said, there's nothing that I'm doing that isn't done every day on Match.com. There's nothing that I'm doing that isn't done by the millionaire matchmaker.
What is she allowed to do? What is she not allowed to do?
You can legally get a fee for introducing two people for a potential romantic relationship. However, as soon as you involve sex, the water gets murky. And in this case, because it is alleged that Gristina was introducing young women to powerful men for the purposes of a sexual relationship, they are charging Miss Gristina with 1 count of promoting prostitution. She is heading to trial this fall.
In this case, a lot of money went into the investigation. This is one of those cases where it attracts national attention because big players. She is a soccer mom who we can all relate to, but she's running this brothel essentially. There's been no names mentioned yet, okay? She wouldn't give up her black book is what there's been claims, but has this been much to do about nothing?
Well, to have a 5-year investigation result in 1 single count of promoting prostitution, it's seemingly outrageous. If they are successful at trial, they're going to try to get state prison. They're going to try to do something to justify the resources that have gone into this investigation.
Right, but aren't street pimps arrested every day and released within like 48 hours of their arrest? I mean, isn't that, I mean, we're in the courts every day. I've never seen 1 single count. Her bail was set at how many $1 million?
The court wouldn't assign her a bail amount at all because of all of her connections to wealthy and influential people. They figured that no amount of money was too high to ensure that Miss Gristina would make her court appearances, and that as soon as they let her out of Rikers Island, she would take advantage of these influential connections and just leave. She kept saying, get me out of this place, I want to be at home in Westchester on my pig farm. However, she sat in Rikers Island for a very long time until her attorneys were finally able to negotiate a sensible bond.